Have you ever stood in front of the mirror, tried on your favorite blouse, and thought, why doesn't this look as good on me as it used to? It's not that you've changed in a bad way. In fact, you've grown wiser, stronger, and more elegant. But here's the secret hardly anyone talks about. After 50, the colours we wear can completely change the way we look and feel. Today, I'm going to share a little known colour trick that only a few women over 50 have discovered. Once you know it, you'll never look at your wardrobe the same way again. And you'll see how the right shade can instantly make you glow, soften your features, and even make you look years younger. But first, let's talk about why colour matters more now than it ever did. Section 1. Why colour matters more. After 50. When we're younger, we rarely think twice about colour. At 25, you can throw on a bright red dress or a black turtleneck, and somehow it just works. Your skin is firmer, your hair holds its depth of colour, and almost everything feels flattering. But something shifts as we step into our 50s, 60s, and beyond. Our skin grows softer, lighter, more delicate. Hair begins to carry silver, grey, or even that beautiful snowy white that so many women now embrace with pride. And without us realizing it, the colours that once made us glow can start to feel a little heavy. Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, why does this shade make me look tired? Or, I used to love this blouse, but now it just feels wrong. You're not alone. This happens to every woman, and it's not about losing beauty. It's about the way light and colour interact with our features as they evolve. Here's the wonderful truth. The right colours still have the power to lift your face, brighten your eyes, and soften every line. In fact, colour becomes more important now than ever, because it can instantly give us back that natural radiance we sometimes think we've lost. Think of it like this. Colour is the invisible frame around your face. If the frame clashes, the picture looks dull. But if the frame is in harmony, suddenly everything shines. And that's why this secret colour trick I'm about to share matters so much. Because once you unlock it, you'll never feel washed out again. Section 2. The hidden problem. Most women don't notice. Here's the thing. Most women think they don't look good in clothes anymore once they reach a certain age. They blame wrinkles, weight changes, or simply getting older. But the truth is, it's not you. It's the colours you've been wearing. What worked in your 30s or 40s might actually drain your face today. That jet black sweater that once made your skin look porcelain now makes it look flat. The fiery red you loved might suddenly feel too loud or harsh. Even crisp white, which felt so fresh before, can start to look stark against softer skin and lighter hair. This shift is so subtle that most women never realize what's happening. Instead, they quietly fold away their favorite pieces, thinking, maybe it's just me. Maybe I've lost that spark. But here's the emotional truth. You haven't lost anything. You've simply entered a new season of life where your natural tones, your hair, skin, and even eye color need a different kind of harmony. Once you understand this, everything changes. You stop blaming yourself and start seeing color as a tool, one that can either weigh you down or lift you up. And this is exactly where the secret color trick comes in. Section 3. The secret color trick. So, what's the secret? It's something stylists call contrast balance. Don't worry, you don't need to be a fashion expert to use it. It's simply about matching the level of contrast in your clothing to the natural contrast in your features. Here's what that means. If you now have softer hair tones, like silver, grey, or white, and your skin has become more delicate, high contrast colours, like pure black and stark white, can feel too harsh. Instead, muted jewel tones, teal, plum, soft navy, or gentle rose, will look far more flattering. These shades echo your natural softness and bring a glow back to your face. If you've chosen to keep darker hair, whether naturally or with colour, and your features are still strong, then you can lean into higher contrast combinations. Think navy with ivory, camel with black, or deep red with crisp white. These combinations mirror the strength in your natural features and make your look instantly more polished. The trick is not about wearing less colour as we age. It's about wearing the right intensity of colour for where you are now. When you get this balance right, something magical happens. Your eyes brighten, your skin looks smoother, and even your smile feels warmer. Think of it as harmony. When your outfit's colours are in tune with you, people won't notice the clothes first. They'll notice you. And that's the true power of this little-known colour secret. Section 4. Real-life examples. Make it emotional. Pulp visual. Let me give you a couple of examples, because nothing explains this better than seeing how it works in real life. Take Anna, age 62. For years, Anna swore by her classic black turtlenecks. She loved them in her 40s because they felt chic and slimming. But recently, every time she put one on, she caught herself thinking, "Why do I look so tired? Why does my skin look dull?" She even started avoiding mirrors when she wore black. One day, a friend suggested she try on a soft teal blouse instead. The change was instant. Suddenly, Anna's blue eyes lit up, her skin looked fresher, and even her hair seemed brighter. She didn't look different because of makeup or lighting. It was simply the harmony of the right colour against her skin. From that moment, she realised, it wasn't me, it was the colour. Now, let's talk about Linda, age 70. Linda loved wearing white. It made her feel crisp and elegant. But once her hair turned silver, she noticed stark white made her look washed out. She started to think, maybe I'm just too old for bright shades. But when she tried warm ivory and champagne tones instead of pure white, everything shifted. Her silver hair sparkled, her skin glowed, and she felt radiant again. The difference was subtle, but powerful, like turning up the light in a room. These stories remind us of something important. Fashion isn't about chasing trends or spending a fortune. It's about finding colours that let your natural beauty shine through. And here's the best part. Discovering your perfect shades doesn't have to be complicated. Section 5. How to discover your colour harmony. Now, you might be thinking, okay, this all sounds wonderful, but how do I know which colours really work for me? The good news is, you don't need a stylist or expensive test. You can do this yourself, at home, with just a few simple steps. Step 1. Use natural light. Stand near a window in daylight. Hold up tops, scarves, or even pieces of fabric in different colours close to your face. Notice how your skin looks. Does it seem fresher, brighter? Or does it look shadowed, dull, even tired? Step 2. Take quick photos. Sometimes our eyes play tricks on us in the mirror. Snap a photo of yourself in 2 different colours. Compare them side by side. You'll often be shocked at how one colour makes your eyes sparkle, while the other makes you look drained. Step 3. Look at your hair and eyes. If your hair is soft grey, white, or silver, try pairing it with equally soft tones. Dusty blues, rose, lavender, warm taupe. If you've kept your hair dark or rich in tone, experiment with stronger contrasts, navy and ivory, black and camel, burgundy and cream. Your eye colour can also guide you. Shades that echo the flecks in your eyes almost always make your whole face come alive. Step 4. Trust the feeling. Most importantly, Trust how you feel. When a color is right, you'll feel more confident, more alive. When it's wrong, you'll feel like you need more makeup, more effort. Your body knows the answer if you listen. This little Althome test isn't about perfection. It's about rediscovery. It's about realizing that your glow is still there. You just need the right colors to invite it back out. Section 6. Mistakes. Women over 50 make with color. Now that you know how to test your colors, let's talk about a few common mistakes many of us make without realizing it. Chances are you'll recognize yourself in one or two of these, and that's okay. This isn't about judgment, it's about awareness. Mistake chapter 1. Wearing too much black is elegant, slimming, and timeless. But after 50, it can also be the most draining shade in your closet. Instead of lifting your features, it can cast shadows on your face, making fine lines appear deeper and skin look dull. Black still has its place, but often a softer navy, deep plum, or charcoal will give the same elegance without stealing your light. Mistake number 2. Following trends near every season, fashion magazines and stores tell us which it color is in style. Neon pink, acid green, bright orange. But here's the truth. Not every trend deserves space in your closet. If the shade doesn't love you, it's not worth it. Style after 50 is less about chasing trends and more about curating harmony. Mistake number 1. Avoiding bold colors entirely. Many women retreat into safe shades, beige, brown, grey, thinking they'll blend in quietly. But the result often makes us feel invisible. The right bold color, carefully chosen, can do the opposite. It can make you look vibrant and alive, not overdone. Mistake number 4. Thinking neutrals are enough. Neutrals are wonderful. They form the backbone of an elegant wardrobe. But if every piece in your closet is beige, grey, or black, you risk losing that spark. A splash of colour near your face, even something as simple as a scarf in teal or soft coral, can transform your entire look. The beauty of avoiding these mistakes isn't about looking younger. It's about looking radiant, present, and fully yourself. Because you don't need to hide behind clothes. You need clothes that celebrate who you are right now. Section 7. Elevating your wardrobe. With this trick, now that you understand contrast balance and how to find your color harmony, the next step is building a wardrobe that actually works with you, not against you. The secret here is to create a foundation of anchor colors and then layer in your signature shades. Step 1. Choose your anchors. Think of these as the quiet heroes of your closet. Anchor colors are timeless, versatile, and pair beautifully with almost anything. For most women, these include navy, camel, soft grey, ivory, or cream. These shades never shout, but they set the stage. They're the base that makes the rest of your wardrobe easy and elegant. Step 2. Add 2-3 signature colors. This is where the magic happens. Your signature colors should reflect your personal glow. Maybe it's that soft teal that makes your eyes sparkle, or a warm plum that brings life to your cheeks, or even a rich burgundy that makes you feel powerful. These are the colors that turn a simple outfit into your outfit. Step 3. Use color near your face. Here's a small but powerful trick. Prioritize your most flattering colors for tops, scarves, and accessories near your face. Your pants, skirts, and shoes can stay neutral, but the colors closest to your skin are the ones that make you shine. Step 4. Keep it joyful. Don't think of this as rules. Think of it as giving yourself permission to dress in a way that feels natural, elegant, and confident. The moment you open your closet and see shades that all love you back, getting dressed becomes joyful again, not a chore. And here's the beautiful ripple effect. When you feel polished, you walk taller, you smile bigger. People notice your confidence before they notice your clothes. That's the real secret, not just looking stylish, but feeling alive in your own skin. So here's what I want you to remember. Aging doesn't take away your beauty. It simply changes the way it shines. And when you understand how to use color, you'll realize that your glow is still there, waiting to be seen. The little trick we've talked about today, matching your colors to your natural contrast, isn't about chasing youth or hiding who you are. It's about celebrating the woman you've become. Because at this stage of life, you deserve to feel elegant, radiant, and noticed. Imagine opening your closet tomorrow morning and seeing shades that make you smile, that lift your face, that bring out your eyes. Imagine walking out the door knowing that your outfit is working for you, not against you. That's what this color secret gives you: confidence, ease, and joy. And now, I'd love to hear from you. Tell me in the comments, which color makes you feel the most alive when you wear it? Maybe it's a teal scarf, a coral blouse, or that perfect navy dress. Your answer might inspire another woman watching right now. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, because I'll be sharing more little secrets like this, the ones that only the most elegant women over 50 know. Until next time, remember, fashion isn't about rules, it's about harmony. And when you find yours, you'll never feel invisible again.